Welcome to a world where imagination meets reality and luxury knows no limits. In this video, we take you on a breathtaking journey through the most extravagant and uniquely designed trillionaire homes ever built across the globe. These homes are not just places to live, they are architectural masterpieces, each telling a story of opulence, vision, and unimaginable wealth. From the icy mountains of Switzerland to the Golden Coast of Dubai, each mansion boasts a distinct design that sets it apart. Step inside living rooms that stretch like grand ballrooms, with ceilings adorned in gold leaf and chandeliers crafted from rare crystals. Walk through hallways wrapped in marble, where every step echoes with elegance. In one home, futuristic glass elevators glide between 12 floors of artistic brilliance, while another features a floating staircase that seems to defy gravity itself. These trillionaire homes spare no expense, offering private theaters with IMAX-level quality, underground garages housing dozens of exotic cars, and indoor waterfalls that create serene tropical jungles right in the heart of the house. Outside, infinity pools seem to merge with the ocean, and private helipads sit atop rooftops offering views that stretch for miles. Some designs celebrate minimalism with clean lines and smart automation, while others embrace bold and royal themes, featuring centuries-old antiques and handcrafted furniture from the world's best artisans. Each property reflects the personality of its billionaire or royal owner, from tech tycoons to oil magnates, and is equipped with the most advanced security and luxury features imaginable. This is more than wealth, it's a lifestyle that exists far beyond the reach of ordinary luxury. Stay with us as we reveal the most incredible trillionaire homes from every corner of the world.